So here you can see that this kind of videos are going viral on internet because this is done using a AI. So here you can see first one, and here you can also see a second one. The result is very awesome. So how to do it? Let's start. So first you have to visit a Gemini app, and here you have to select a create image and select a pro option. Now we have to upload the elevation models. Okay. So after uploading, you have to type this prompt. So here basically you have to type remove this building and make a land flat. Okay. So you have to type this exact prompt in a prompt area, and then you have to hit enter key. Okay. And after that, it will produce a flat land just like that. Okay. So this is the result, and then we will produce another things. You have to type this prompt, and this will produce these results. So this is the dimensions of the plot, like a 45 by 55 feet. Okay. Now you have to visit on a flow app, then click over on a new project, and then here I have to select the frame to video option, and click over first plus icon and upload your rectangle neon dimensions plot options. Okay, just you have to open it, it will upload, and select type of aspect ratio. Here I'm selecting portrait, crop, and upload. Again, click on a plus icon for a second frame, and here you have to upload a complete elevation of the building. Okay, and then you have to type a prompt. So this is the prompt that you can copy paste. I will give it in a description, and after that you have to click over here. So within a couple of minutes, it will generate videos, very stunning videos that you can download directly from here. So here you can see this is the result. Here I'm going to play, and here you can see that this is the result. It's perfectly started to create this 3D elevation building, and it's looking very stunning. So you can create this by using simple steps by going to Gemini app, using nano banana to remove the building, then create another dimensions, and then you have to go on a flow and create a videos like that. So you can directly download this video from here. For more video, please share, subscribe, and like. See you next tutorial. Thank you.